Today, we're going to practice using past, present, and future tenses to describe workplace actions. For the past tense, we often use time expressions like yesterday or last week to show something already finished. For the present tense, we use words like daily, every day, or usually to talk about regular actions. For the future tense, we use expressions such as tomorrow or next week to describe actions that have not happened yet. For each picture, we'll describe what happened before, what happens regularly, and what will happen next. Yesterday, the technician fixed a jammed conveyor belt. He checks and repairs it daily. Tomorrow, he will fix a worn-out belt. Supervisor inspected helmets yesterday. She inspects gloves and boots now. She will inspect goggles tomorrow. Worker drove the forklift to move pallets yesterday. He drives it around the warehouse now. He will operate it for loading boxes tomorrow. Janitor cleaned the workshop after the shift. He cleans every afternoon. He will clean again tomorrow morning. Worker packed 50 boxes yesterday. She is packing boxes now. She will pack a new batch tomorrow. Welder joined 2 metal plates yesterday. He welds parts for machine frames. He will weld engine parts tomorrow. Assembly worker built 10 units yesterday. She assembles units on the line today. She will assemble more tomorrow. Manager wrote a production report yesterday evening. He fills out today's report now. He will submit tomorrow's report after the shift. Engineer calibrated the measuring machine yesterday. He calibrates machines before each shift. He will calibrate the digital scanner tomorrow. Worker delivered raw materials to the line yesterday. He delivers material carts today. He will bring new supplies tomorrow. Technician checked a heat sensor yesterday. She checks pressure gauges now. She will check the cooling system tomorrow. Mechanic changed the oil filter yesterday. He changes oil in other machines now. He will change oil in the big press machine tomorrow. Worker labeled 100 items yesterday. He labels items during packing now. He will label a new batch tomorrow. Worker wore a helmet and gloves yesterday. She wears a full safety kit now. She will wear a harness for tomorrow's task. Guided new hires yesterday. He trains staff during the day. He will train a new group tomorrow. Staff tested samples from yesterday's batch. They test items on the line today. They will test new models tomorrow. Loaded a delivery truck yesterday evening. They load goods for another shipment now. They will load export items tomorrow. Operator measured sheet metal yesterday. He measures steel rods now. He will measure new materials tomorrow. Printed 500 barcode labels yesterday. She prints more for today's items. She will print tomorrow's batch labels.